Hello, I have been looking for security camera that covers a large area and you don't need to charge it all the time. This one has a solar panel, so it stays charged by using sunlight. Let me show you everything that comes with it, how it works, and then I will install it outside so you can see it in action. Here is what you're gonna get in the package. You will get the camera, you will get the mounting bracket, the hardware that you need for installation, the positioning sticker, the user manual, also the USB-C cable. The brand recommend to charge the camera before installation. Once the camera is fully charged and you install it, it will charge from the solar panel, which of course also comes in the package. So you don't have to take down the camera to charge it after it's installed. One thing I like right away is that the solar panel is separate from the camera. That means that you can mount the camera exactly where you need it and place the solar panel where it gets the most sunlight. This camera records in 1080 HD, so you get a clear picture during the day. At night, it also supports full color night vision with built-in spotlight, so you can see more details instead of only a black and white image. The camera can rotate almost all the way around. It has 355 horizontal rotation and 90 degrees movement, so it covers a very large area with a very few blind spots. If you have a front yard, driveway, backyard, garage, or side of the house, one camera can monitor a much bigger space than a fixed camera. The camera has also PIR, human motion detection. That means it's designed to recognize people and send a notification to your phone when someone is detected. This helps reduce false alerts from things like leaves moving in the wind. Another feature I really like is the two-way audio. There is a built-in microphone and speaker. So if someone comes to your front door, you can talk to them directly through the app without opening the door. Whether it's delivery driver or visitor or someone dropping off a package, you can communicate with them from anywhere. Right now I'm charging the camera because it needs to be fully charged before I mount it outside. And while it's charging, I decided to download the app and set up the camera with the app. This is the app that you need to download. Once it's downloaded, I already connected the camera. You can see it here. But when you press the plus sign here, then you can connect a new device. If you have more than one camera, you go to the grid sign and you can see all of your cameras here. I have just one right now. That's why it's just one window here. Then from events, you can see all detected motion. It can be a sound motion or it can detect a person. So that's it for right now. When I mount the camera outside, I'll show you how it looks on that. One more thing that you need to know about the camera, that if you want to save your recording without paying a monthly fee, you will need to add your own micro SD card. The card will go here, also the reset button, it's right there. The camera supports a micro SD card up to 128 gigabyte, but it's not included in the box. So if you don't have one yet, the brand also give you a 14-day free cloud storage trial. So you can start recording right away and decide which storage option works best for you. I already installed the camera outside. Let me show you now what shows on the app. Here is, it shows you how good is your Wi-Fi connection. Also, it shows here the date and the time. Also from here you can move the camera. Here I will move it right, then I'll go back left, down, and you can move it up. Options here on the screen. From this one you can take screenshots. From this one it's about for the button. This one it's when you want to talk, the microphone. Also, from here, you can mute the camera or leave the sound on. I will mute it on now. Yeah, you see it's muted. And from this one, it's about the white. I can turn on the white on the camera. I live in Chicago and I was looking for camera that can handle all 4 seasons. So this camera has IP66 weather resistant ratings. So it's made to handle rain, snow, heat, and different weather conditions. That was one of the reasons that I chose to get this camera. After testing this camera, I think it's a great option if you want a wireless security camera that covers a large area. It's easy to install and doesn't need frequent charging thanks to the solar panel. It gives you peace of mind that you can check your home anytime right from your phone.